Ayun nga, sana maging mas pasensyoso ka pa sa akin. Kasi medyo moody ako na tao. Pinapangako ko na magiging mabuti akong asawa para sa'yo. Hanggang sa habang buhay na magkasama tayo. I love you.
And I can't react, and games that
After 8 years, hindi ko lubos akalain na darating tayo dito. Hindi ko rin inaasahan na ikaw pala yung makakasama ko sa altar. And I thank God na ikaw yun kasi you are the love of my life. Parang you complete me.
make this sinking boat and point it home. We've still got time. Raise your hopeful voice. You had the choice. You made it now. Falling slowly, eyes that know.
Nagkakilala kami dati sa gym. Kasi parehas kaming mahilig sa mga fitness.
Meron kami isang common friend na nagpakilala sa amin. Start sa chat-chat, Facebook friend, ayun. Hanggang sa nagkamabutihan. And ayun na, ito na yun. After 8 years, almost 8 years, kakasal na kami.
Well, you have suffered enough, and what of yourself?
Bukan pa sa inyo kung pagkaluto ng mga isang dibdib ni Norma na yung pagkamamahuli at pagluluturan ng buhay.
Take this sinking boat and point it home. We've still got time. Raise your hopeful voice. You had the choice. You made it.
Always remember that God chose us to be together, and so we're meant to be forever. You are my forever, my best friend, my dream come true, my shoulder to lean on, and now my husband. I love you, and I'm so happy that I will spend the rest of my life with you.
Take this sinking boat and point it home. We've still got time. Raise your hopeful voice. You had the choice. You made it now. Falling slowly, sing your melody. I'll sing it all it was you left.
Ito ang dalangin ko sa may kapal na makasama ka habang buhay. 10 ng ating mga pamilya at ang ating mga kaibigan. Mahal kita hanggang sa dulo ng walang hanggan.